Hello everyone, welcome to Selenium. Today's topic is send keys method in Selenium. Send keys is an action available on IWebElement that is used to type text into input fields. Send keys works on input fields, text areas, editable fields, and others. Like in combo box also we can type the keys before selecting an option. In real automation projects, send keys is most commonly used for login forms, search boxes, data entry forms. Before typing, we usually clear the field to avoid appending the text. Here in the sample script, if you see, first I am opening the Cogmento login page. I am locating email and password fields. First, I am clearing the existing text in the email input. And then I click on login button. So I will run the sample script to see if it is working or not. First, a Cogmento login page is loaded. We enter username, password. If you see, it was very fast that we were not able to see. It entered the text, whatever we have written, and then it got cleared, and then again it entered email. So this is how send keys work in Selenium automation in real projects. So let me recap. Send keys is used to enter text into input fields. Send keys works only on editable elements like input or text area. In real projects, send keys is mainly used for logins and form submission. We usually clear existing text before sending keys.